How to create a Fiverr seller account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to fiverr.com and then tap on your profile icon in the top right and then tap on become a seller. Now it will load you to this page. Tap on become a seller and then something like this will show up on your screen. So you'll need to add experience from LinkedIn. So you can see how to do it in LinkedIn. You need to click on resources and click on save to PDF, and then you can drag and drop the file here. Or if you have no LinkedIn, then you can upload your CV instead. But if you don't like any of these, then you can just scroll down and you can see fill out profile manually option. You can tap on that. So you'll need to put in your name, title, address, the languages that you can speak. You can share some details about yourself, your expertise, and what you offer. Just put in the skills and expertise that attract relevant clients by sharing your strengths and abilities. Similarly, put in your work experience, add your job history and achievements to give clients insight into your expertise. Then you need to put in your education. You can back up your skills by adding any educational degree or programs, but this is optional. Similarly, you can put in certifications if you have it. This is a way to showcase your mastery with certifications earned in your field. And then that's it. That's how you create a seller account on Fiverr. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.